What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Sherman Racing Team. My name is Bear Sherman, and today we're going to be doing the pedal changing on the Turbo SL Ebike. So let's do this. And we're going to change out these lame pedals for some really cool red pedals. These ones right here. And they are premium platform pedals, and they're sealed bearings, so I think you can get these in the link below. So let's do this. So first we're gonna get this open. So let's do this. That was easy. Oh. This is not easy to do. You have to cut that thing. That works too. Okay, we just got them unboxed now, and we're gonna change the pedals off. So let's grab the pedals. This is this side, and this one is that side. So this one goes on this side, and that one goes on that. So I'm gonna place them down here so they match. Now I'm gonna grab the. So we're gonna see what we got here. We got the Wera 950 hex +8 size. So now I'm gonna sit down here. And we're gonna scoot, let's see here. There we go. And never try it doing it on this side because it's way too hard. But why do that when you can just do this? Spin it out on this side. You can buy it in the link below. And here we go. So we don't need that anymore. No. We're gonna change this one, and let's see if it fits. It doesn't fit, so I'm gonna go down to a 6 from the 8. And this is the Wera 950 hex +6. So I'm gonna put that in there. We need to make sure it is straight. Then we're gonna use this side again, because again, it's a lot easier to use. And make sure it's in. There you go. It's perfect. There you go. Give me a second, and there you go. There we got the first pedal on. Now we're gonna quickly flip it around, and 3, 2, 1. All right, we just got it flipped around now. So we just noticed that the purple one is for taking off the pedal, and then the red one is for the red pedals. So first we're gonna need the purple one first. And like I said, don't do it with this side, do it with that side. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sit down. There you go. There we go, it's coming a lot faster than last time. There's a lot of oil all over that. Okay, now we don't need that. Now I'm gonna grab the other one, and is that supposed to happen? I don't know. Okay, now, I forgot. Now we'll open. And Then other way then. There we go. There we go, now we got it working. And make sure it's tight. There we go. We got both of the really cool pedals on. Now let's try it out. And as you can see, they're a bit bigger than they were before. Not by a lot. It's just like this pedal is like the inside of the new red ones. And I'm super excited to try these out. And you can buy these pedals in the link below. You can buy the bike in the link below. You can get the Allen key in the link below. So everything you see in this video right now, you could probably get this in the link below. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you next time. Guys, what's up? And don't forget to check out the video that my mechanic... The mechanic video.
That was so funny.
POV, Mr. Beast go wrong.
What's up, guys? What these really cool, sick new pedals look like on these really cool bike that I